Hey everybody, it's Neil heading up to the ski slope soon and don't want to have a repeat of last year where the hands are frozen. So got this hand warmer. It's kind of cool. It should be a rechargeable electric kind of hand warmer. So let's see what it looks like here. It slides out there. I mean, here's some information, I guess, on it there if it tells some of the details if you need it. But let's see, we got this. It says endless happiness. Yeah, I guess you'll be lots of happy if your hands are warm. And then here's the instruction manual on the back. And this is what it looks like here. It comes with two, and then the charging wire, and the charging wire it's USB, and then it goes to USB-C. So you've got two USB-C chargers there focused on that. And then this is what it looks like. How cute is this? It's got like a little dog on it. And then, let's see, to turn it on, I'm gonna guess it's one of these buttons. Let's see, power button. Boy, it's hard to see which one is what. Okay. So you'll hold it down for it to turn on the power button. So you'll long press for 3 seconds to turn it on. The different dots of light kind of tell you how much it's doing. So you can see now I've got 3 because I have the 2 eyes and the nose. And then if I get rid of it, now I just have 1. So 2, 3. So now, and I can feel it's hot over here. I'm guessing the heating zone is his belly. It's my dog's belly. Yeah, it's not that hot up top. It's the dog's belly that gets hot. And so we are on 3 dots now. I don't know what this is. Oh, that's just a rubber thing. I don't think that's any kind of button at all. So that's kind of it there. It looks like where's the port? There's the USB-C port. So to charge it, you just charge it in there. And let's see what else is on the back here. Is there anything? Not really. I'm not sure what this is here. It looks like it connects to something. I wonder if you can connect 2 together. Let's see. Man, it's getting hot. So I can put these 2 back to back. Let's see if I put these 2 back to back. There we go. And now I've got 2. So now I could put, this one's so cold, this one's burning up hot. I don't want it that hot. I don't think I would ever use it on 3. I don't know. I guess maybe if I wanted to warm something else up. But how cool is that? So it can go back to back and then it holds itself together and you can slide them apart. So that's what the little connections on the back are for. So super cute, super nice. It says, capacity 3,000 mAh. So, and it'll keep it going for a little while. It'll warm you up for a while and super cool. And then you just, I guess you just kind of hold it down again to turn it off and now it's off. So super neat, super cool. Hand warmer, rechargeable hand warmers. And they look like little dogs. I mean, you can't get any cuter than that. So super cool. You can just stick these in your kids' pockets when they're going around there and it'll warm them up. So super neat. Thumbs up from me on these. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon.